It has only been about a year and a half since DJI turned heads with the original Flip, and already, the rumor mill is spinning hard about its successor. Back in January 2025, DJI launched the original DJI Flip, the company's first drone to feature a foldable full-coverage propeller guard integrated directly into the airframe, a design that instantly set it apart from everything else in the sub-250G category. The Flip carved out a unique space, somewhere between the palm launch simplicity of the Neo and the camera-forward ambition of the Mini series. Fast forward to April 2026, and DJI has since launched the Lito 1 and Lito X1, two drones positioned as the direct replacement for the aging Mini 4K and Mini 5 Pro, effectively reshuffling the entire entry-level lineup. With the Lito series now occupying the beginner open prop space, leaks and speculation are increasingly pointing toward a DJI Flip 2 that would double down on what made the original special. Here is everything we know, and everything that is being rumored, about the DJI Flip 2. And today's video is sponsored by no one. If you want to book this spot, just mail us. The biggest upgrade whispers are centered on the camera sensor. The original Flip shipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of 48 megapixels, solid for its class, and on par with what the Lito X1 carries today. Rumored sources suggest the Flip 2 could take a meaningful step forward by adopting a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a move that would push it firmly into premium mini-drone territory. For context, the newly launched Lito X1 uses a 1.3-inch sensor with an f1.7 aperture and 14 stops of dynamic range, while the more affordable Lito 1 settles for a smaller 1 to 2-inch chip that, while capable in daylight, struggles noticeably in low-light conditions and lacks the 10-bit color pipeline of its sibling. If the Flip 2 lands with a 1-inch sensor, it would position itself clearly above both Lito models on the imaging hierarchy, targeting users who want the enclosed propeller safety design, but do not want to compromise on image quality. Leaked speculation also points to an improved aperture, possibly f1.6 or wider, which would be a first for a sub-250G drone with full propeller guards and would make it meaningfully more versatile during golden hour and indoor shoots. A physically larger sensor also means better subject separation, richer color science, and more room to work in post, areas where the Lito 1 in particular falls short, given its 8-bit pipeline and absence of any log color profile. On the video side, rumors are painting an exciting picture. The original Flip topped out at 4K 60fps HDR with 10-bit D-Log-M, already an impressive spec for the category. The Flip 2 is rumored to push that ceiling to 4K 120fps, a frame rate that would enable true slow-motion capture without a quality penalty, and something neither the Lito 1 nor the Lito X1 currently offers. Both Lito drones can shoot 4K 100fps, which is impressive for their price tier, but 120fps would give the Flip 2 a meaningful creative edge. There is also speculation around improved HDR processing and possibly a new color science pipeline that goes beyond D-Log-M, potentially offering a D-Log profile similar to what DJI uses on higher-end platforms like the Mavic 4 Pro. Vertical shooting in 2.7K has been a feature on both Lito models from day one, catering to the TikTok and Reels generation, and it would be surprising if DJI did not carry that over, and arguably expand it, to the Flip 2. Some leakers have speculated about native 4K vertical recording, which would be a notable upgrade over the Lito X1's 2.7K vertical cap. Internal storage is another talking point. The Lito X1 ships with 42GB onboard, a real differentiator at that price point, and the original Flip had no internal storage. The Flip 2 is expected to finally address this gap, with rumors suggesting at least 32GB of built-in storage alongside microSD support. Flight time is one of the areas where the original Flip already holds a respectable position. At 31 minutes maximum, it outlasts the Neo 2 considerably, but falls slightly short of the Lito series, which offers up to 36 minutes on the standard battery, and, in markets like the UK and EU, up to 52 minutes with the larger Battery Plus configuration on the Lito X1. Rumors around the Flip 2's battery life suggests DJI is targeting somewhere in the 38-40 minute range on the standard cell, a figure that would leapfrog both Lito models on standard battery endurance, a significant marketing win. This would likely be achieved through a combination of a higher capacity battery, more efficient motors, and potentially an updated aerodynamic profile on the folding guard structure. The Flip's enclosed propeller design has always created slightly more drag than the open prop alternatives, so DJI's engineers would need to optimize the guard geometry carefully to hit those numbers without adding weight. DJI charging technology has also improved considerably since the original Flip launched, and a 65W fast charge, or faster, is expected to carry over, keeping the downtime between flights short. Safety was the whole reason the Flip existed in the first place, and the Flip 2 is rumored to take that philosophy even further. The original Flip used a 3D infrared sensing system for downward hovering precision, along with basic obstacle detection. The Lito X1 raised the bar significantly in this area, featuring omnidirectional monocular vision sensing plus forward-facing LiDAR, the same approach DJI used on the Neo 2 and Mini 5 Pro. The Flip 2 is expected to match and potentially exceed this, with rumors pointing to full omnidirectional vision sensing combined with multi-directional LiDAR arrays, not just a single forward-facing unit. The Lito 1 also features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, but lacks LiDAR, which means its detection can struggle in low-contrast environments or poor lighting. The Flip 2's enclosed propeller guards already give it a physical safety advantage over both Lito models, which use traditional open propellers with optional snap-on shrouds. Adding a more comprehensive sensor suite on top of that would make the Flip 2 arguably the safest consumer drone in DJI's lineup for close-range and indoor environments. The original Flip launched with DJI's 04 transmission system, offering up to 13 km of range. The same system found on both the Lito 1 and Lito X1. With DJI's new products increasingly pushing toward 04 Plus, or early hints at an 05 system, the Flip 2 is widely expected to adopt upgraded transmission technology. The Lito X1 bumped the 04 range up to 15 kilometers, and the Flip 2 is rumored to hit at least the same number, possibly more. Better transmission matters not just for raw distance, but for video quality and latency during live viewing. Something content creators who use the Flip as a quasi-selfie drone notice immediately when flying in congested RF environments. Perhaps the most intriguing rumor is around the Flip 2's form factor. The original Flip was already a compact marvel, but its folding guard mechanism meant it was slightly bulkier than the Lito series in its packed-down state.